everyone. In this lecture, we're going to be talking about the uniform distribution. Now, the uniform distribution is a type of continuous probability distribution. But in this case, we have a continuous variable where we have this certain interval, this certain portion of the number line between two numbers, like 0 and 1, or A and B in this case. And the idea is that every possible event is equally likely. It's not like I have a bias towards certain potential outputs of the variable. So in this case, every option is equally likely. And let me give you guys an example. Maybe I'm picking a number between 1 and 10. I don't have like a sort of bias towards, like, for example, 2 or 3. I'm going to pick a number legitimately randomly between 1 and 10. And there are infinitely many possibilities for me to pick from. So in that instance, we would have a continuous probability distribution, a uniform distribution, to be more specific, between 1 and 10. And in this case, the height of this probability distribution would be, well, let me make sure I get this right. 9 times, it's 10/9 or 1/9, I believe. Yeah, so that the total area under the curve is 1. This entire area adds up to a total area of 1, because the chance of me picking a number between 1 and 10 is 100%. And so the total area of this is 1, which we will talk about later on, about area under the curve. So that is an example of a uniform distribution. Anyways, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.